Hi, I'm Harrison from Troop 2 in East Lansing, Michigan. And as a fundraiser, today I'll be showing you how to make the best popcorn ever. Speaking of which, guess we need ingredients, don't we? Whoa. Alright. So we're going to be using this flavorful salt, buttery coconut oil, some popcorn kernels, and then I'd recommend using this silicone tub for popping the kernels. First, you pour the kernels. Fill the popcorn up to the first line, put the cap on, and put it in the microwave. Set the microwave to popcorn, and then we set it to large bag. Wait, no, and start. When the popcorn starts to slow down, then you know it's almost ready. Wait until the pops are about 5 seconds apart in intervals, and then the popcorn should be ready. Then take a spoon, medium spoon, I'd say. Spoon out about 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil. Microwave the butter or coconut oil, whatever you want to call it, until it's a liquid. Then take the popcorn, pour it into a bowl. Pour in the butter. Now it tastes good. And take it up a little bit. Wait, where'd the flavorful go? Oh, that's gone. Huh, so that does work. Well, anyway, take the flavorful salt, pour it into your hand just a little bit. I always mess this up. Nope, no, I didn't mess it up yet. And sprinkle it lightly into the popcorn. Shake it up again. And there you have it. This is the best popcorn you will ever taste. If you want to buy some kernels, we're selling them for $20. And if you don't live in the Lansing area, we can ship them for $5. We also have a link for the coconut oil and the flavorful down below underneath the video. Thank you for watching.